Hello, welcome to Friday, which is day 6 of Kahoot for June holidays. Hello Nicole, see you. Is already in the room, that's good, time flies. So today things are extra hard in such a way that we pick the more challenging question and time from 120 seconds get cut down to 60 seconds. Yes, so be prepared for your pen, paper, everything, and you need all the time you need to finish as much as possible, as fast as possible. Yeah, 60 seconds. Exciting. Hey Slipfish, hello. So as usual, we will start at about 9:07, 9:08. Oh, hello, hey G. Hello. Oh, takoyaki, hello. So today is like extra challenging. It's monster quiz day. So from 120 seconds, it cuts down to 60 seconds. You'll be challenging chapters or challenging questions on chapters of periodic table. Chicken. Okay, I assume that's chicken teriyaki. Is it gonna be like, hello, hey Jai? Is it gonna be like filled to the brim with food, with Japanese food now? Oh, hello Lala. Hello. No Tenzaru Soba. No. Oh, okay. Everyone's playing slots now. I should play slots too. Can there be multiple slots? Oh, there can be. Oh my god, look at that thing goes with the sword. Oh my god, how do you have sword? Okay. Sword, exclamation mark, sword. Hey Bob, hello. Whoa. Today is a many people day. So same. Oh, it's K-Fizz? Oh, okay. Okay, so today, as usual, we're gonna do the final day for periodic table chapter. The usual is 120 seconds. Today will be 60 seconds. Questions were based off more challenging, as well as what most people got it wrong for the past 2 quiz. So we will start at around 9:07, 9:08 in about 4 to 5 minutes times. Oh, you can do slots and number? Oh, okay. I thought you go 10 times. Okay. Let's duel! Fight! Hey, where are you? What? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. Okay. Okay. Let's do 50 then. Okay. $9:04 now, so you can do some fight. I think you can squeeze in a fight before. Boom. Well, that's a lot of damage. Oh my god. Okay. Why? Oh my god, I crit. Okay, I'm gonna go bye-bye. No. Oh, I disappeared. No. No. Whoa. The last time what you did, you took the gold and then you dump it into slots. No, why are you sitting on my head? No, why you dump everything into slots? You absolute madman. Oh, there's no more. Oh, hey G. J-E-E? Hello. G. What's no Bexies? Or what's Bexies? Oh, no take back, I see. Okay. Slots. Is slots like lucrative? 100 then. Slots 100. $906. Okay. I won! Like, how much do I win if I put 100 in it? Okay. That, come on. Tell me how much I win? I put 100. Wait a minute. Did I lose? If I put 100 in it, I won. I won 50. Do I get 150 or I lost 50? Oh my god. Oh no, I lost 50. Oh no, that's... Oh man, what's that? Okay, it's 907. Let's go. Shall give it a go. Okay, so this is part of the periodic table. W, Y, X, Z, group 1 and group 7, yeah? So which one is the least violently react? This one tests students' understanding on the direction of being more reactive and less reactive for both group 1 and group 7. Okay, so in this case, this would be W and X because W should be the, in terms of this, right? There's basically more reactive and less reactive as a whole. So if you were to look at this, group 1 and group 7 reactivity is the opposite direction. So in this case, if it's here, it gets more reactive as it goes down. So reactive as it goes down. Whereas when it comes to group 7, reactivity increases upwards. So it becomes more reactive as it go upwards. Okay? So to be the least reactive, it will be W and Z. To be least violently. So that's the least reactive. So answer will be W and Z, which is blue. Okay, this one requires maybe pen and paper. It's on displacement reaction. Hint hint, there's quite a bit of displacement reaction for today. So you need to rank according to increased reactivity. Okay, answer will be red. Okay, reason for this, right? You have to basically do elimination. Okay, so what happened is usually number one, we always look at whether elements can challenge things. So in this case, R won both challenge with P and Q because both is displaced. Okay, so therefore R should be the most reactive. So R is the most reactive. The least reactive should be referring to the one with no reaction. If it's totally no reaction, it will be the least reactive. So Q will be the least reactive because it can displace nothing, whereas P will be in the center. So answer will be Q, P, R, red. Okay. Okay, 60 seconds, let's go. Sixteen, 15 seconds more. Let's go, let's go. Focus on the colors and stuff. Oh, yes. Okay. In this case, right, since bromine gets thrown out, the very last part would be reddish brown. So fluorine goes in, kick chlorine. Chlorine is green, so M should be green. N, so chlorine kick bromine. N will be brown, and then dissolve in water is reddish brown. Answer would be D, green. Nice. Turns violet, yeah? "45 seconds. "20 seconds. Yes. So for this, right? Okay. So for this, if you look at this as a whole, so organic solvent, it has a few key things. It did say that the organic solvent turns violet. There's only one thing can turn violet, which is iodine. So Y need to basically produce iodine. So the iodine produced here, that is then went into here. So therefore answer, which most likely is B. So you look at this, fluorine comes in, kick potassium chloride, then chlorine is produced. Chlorine kicks iodine, then you get iodide. So iodine will cause the organic solvent to turn purple, because without water it's purple, and then the water dissolve, it will turn brown. Okay, so answer would be blue, which is second one, B. This may need your periodic table. 25 seconds more. Okay, in this case, right, the question requires us to look at the periodic table to figure this out. So, okay, let's do this. Okay, so if you were to look at this question as a whole, number one, it says it requires to be colored compound. Number two, it should be a variable oxidation state. That means both of these should be transition metal. Given that it is transition metal, it should be put between sandwich between group 2 and group 3. Aluminium is group 3, so A cannot be transition metal. Calcium is group 2, so C cannot be transition metal. Magnesium is group 2, so cannot be transition metal. Automatically answer should be B, which is chromium is transition. Chromium, vanadium, manganese, titanium are all transition metals. Okay, so that's that. Answer will be B. Question 6. Let's go. 60 seconds. Something to do with basic oxides. Good. In this case, right, it shouldn't be group 1 because it's Q2O3. Okay. So in this case, okay, let's paste it here. So if you were to look at this, it says that the element is Q2O3. So if you follow this, Q has to put a 3 here, so this most likely is 3 plus, O is 2 minus, so you get Q2O3. So Q most likely is group 3. If you were to look at the answer, okay, so if you look at the answer as a whole, it can be cut by knife, should be group 1, and it should be group 3. So you're looking for not correct. You're looking for not correct. So as a whole, it cannot be cut by knife, will be group 1. So blue, it cannot be cut by knife. So it is definitely group 3, but we are looking for not correct. And malleable and ductile should be a metal as well. In this case, it we're looking for not correct. So not it is still a metal, so yes. Okay, so answer will be blue, because blue can only be group 1. Okay, so at 60 seconds. Good. In this case, right, answer should be D. Okay, so why is it so? Because, okay, first things first, this one, if you read the element X, not the compound, not the carbonate, but element. Okay, element X is soft, good conductor. So automatically, the word soft tells us this is a group 1. Okay. So since it's a group 1 metal, X will be positive, CO3 will be 2 minus. Cross, this is 2, this is 1. So you get X2CO3. So answer can either be B, answer can either be D. Since we are asking you for the carbonates, it would definitely be soluble because all group 1 salts are soluble. So answer would be D. The tricky part is this asking you the carbonates, not the raw element of X. So therefore it will be soluble in water. Melting point will still be high because it is a compound. It's not asking you the melting point for the element, but the compound for the carbonate. So answer for this will be D. D for duck. The position element for oxygen is shown, so you got A, B, C, D, which likely is most likely exists as monatomic. Okay, don't worry about this. Get at least 10 questions. 10 questions, you're qualified for the draw. Oh, okay. So in this case, answer will be D. D will be the noble gas. Noble gas will be monoatomic or monatomic. So yes. Question 9. Forty seconds. 20 seconds. Okay, so in this case, right, answer will be A. Okay, why? Because it says one of the elements reacts with water to produce a solution. Okay, and then the solution reacts with ammonium chloride. Okay, to produce a pungent gas, which is red litmus paper blue. There's only one gas that you will learn that's red litmus paper blue, which is ammonia. What thing produce ammonia is alkali plus ammonium salts. So what produced alkali? It will be group 1 when dissolved in water. So answer will be A. Group 1 dissolved in water produce alkali. Alkali reacts with ammonium chloride and produces the alkaline gas, which is ammonia, which is a pungent gas that turns red litmus paper blue. Answer will be A. Does not belong to the same group, yeah? Does not belong to the same group. Okay, in this case, answer will be blue, because it is actually helium with a full valence shell. That will be belonging to group 0 or group 8, and the others all but with 2 valence shell will be group 2. Okay, for this, right, what happens is that the position of the periodic table, be it the groups or the periods, groups can tell us what's the valence electrons, therefore the charge. So number 2 definitely can tell us the charge when it comes to position. When it comes to the formula with chloride, so chloride is Cl minus, and the formula could be, for example, the charge can be +1+, can be 2+, can be 3+. If you know the charge, We know how with the chlorine you can cross, and we know the charge, and you can know the formula. Answer will be 2 and 3. The number of isotopes we will never know what's the number of isotopes. Okay, reason is because when it comes to isotopes, there's no pattern and it's not predicted by period or groups. Okay, so fluorine and chlorine, group 7. So you're comparing the different reactivity, boiling, melting point, etc. Okay, in this case, right, fluorine is more reactive than chlorine. That also means that fluorine is lower melting point and boiling point compared to chlorine. So read is not correct. In this case, the more reactive something is for group 7, the more reactive, the stronger the oxidizing agent. So chlorine is a less powerful oxidizing agent than fluorine because chlorine is less reactive than fluorine. Answer will be yellow. Okay, question 13. Thirty seconds. Whoa, the distribution is everywhere. Okay, so in this case, right, answer would be, since a gas X passed into a colorless solution of compound Y, so displacement happens, a brown color is seen. So when brown color is seen, brown can either be bromine or iodine. So answer can either be A or B. Okay, since iodine cannot displace bromine, answer most likely is going to be, oh wait a minute, brown color is seen with a black precipitate. There's a black precipitate. So in this case, black precipitate will refers to iodine rather than bromine. So answer should be D because chlorine can kick iodine out. A and B although bromine, but bromine will never produce a black precipitate. Answer will be D. Okay? Cool. Moving forward. Diatomic molecule. Yeah, diatomic molecule. That's important. And then Q minus. So what's so special about this? Yes, answer in this case will be, since it's diatomic molecule and the charge is minus, answer will be group 7, which is oxidizing agent. Answer will be green, which I already mentioned. Group 7 halogens is oxidizing agent, and group 1 alkaline gas will be a reducing agent. Okay. Okay, there's copper and iron. Ooh. Oh, as in the previous question, the minus very tiny. Ayo. Okay. As in the minus charge, I think. Okay, you need to find a way to make the picture bigger, I think. Okay, in this case, right, both copper and iron are transition metal. Transition metal forms colorful compounds. They can be function as catalysts, as well as they can actually do colorful compound, catalyst, and variable oxidation state. So in this case, answer will be both of them exhibit catalytic activity. So yes, they can form white compound with chlorine. That's not true because transition element has colorful compound, so definitely not white, not blue. They both lose electrons to form divalent ions. May not be true because iron can be 2+, can be 3+. Then copper is 2+, so red can be both. And then green. Both reacts with sulfuric acids to form salt and hydrogen. Copper do not react with acids, so copper cannot react with sulfuric acid. So answer will be yellow. Okay, question 16. Be careful, this is a difficult question. Oh, divalent ions means 2+ ions. Divalent means losing 2 electrons or gaining 2 electrons to form ions. So either 2+ or 2-. Okay, in this case, right, we already mentioned when it comes to group 7 is oxidizing agent. So if they on purpose use the word reducing agent, the entire thing is upside down. Why? The more reactive group 7 is, the more it is an oxidizing agent. It also means that if it's a stronger reducing agent, it will be the least reactive. So if it's decreasing order, you're arranging it from the least reactive to the most reactive. Least reactive will be X because there's no reaction with anything. The most reactive will be Y. So arrangement will be X, Z, Y, which is blue. Okay. The difficulty of this question lies in it is oxidizing agent for group 7, but it on purpose wants you to arrange in reducing agent instead. So the reducing agent and the decreasing order all the times confuse students. So yes. Okay. Moving forward. I will advise pen and paper to sort this out. $20 seconds to go. $10 seconds. Okay, in this case, right, if you were to look at the question arranged everything according to ionic and not ionic covalent, in terms of basic oxide and acidic oxide and all. So if I were to do this is how I would do it. So since this is basic oxide, this will be metal. Acidic oxide, it will be non-metal. And since this one is W, so W most likely is plus, so it's group 1. So Y is the oxide that is both, so it will be metal. Y will be in the center, then non-metal. Then Z will react with W to form WZ. So most likely ionic compound is a non-metal, and therefore if it's WZ, W plus Z will be minus. So Z will most likely be group 7. It will be WYXZ. This I think this came out on the Wednesday Wednesday, Wednesday questions. So yes, answer will be WYXZ. Question 18. This is for group 1. Yeah, group 1. So be careful of the group 1 reactivity as well as the melting boiling point. Twenty seconds to go. Okay, answer will be okay. So in this case, right, is group 1. The larger the atomic radius, the more reactive it is because it is more downwards on the group. So as you go downwards, the melting point and boiling point will be lower. So in this case, if you to arrange, the lowest should be the largest. So therefore, it should be R, followed by 231, so P, followed by 186, which is S, and Q. So answer will be C, yellow. Okay, question 19. Hey Brian, hello. The memories, huh? Reminiscence. 3 seconds, 2. Oh no, the time. Okay, in this case, right? We have to analyze this by considering, okay, so they say they want Q. So Q could be cross, so 1, 2, 3, 4. It could be dot, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this seems like the dot should belong to the oxygens. And then when it comes to yellow, it belongs to receive from the external. So in this case, Q should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, it should become group 4. Group 4 will be IV. Okay, group 4. So answer will be yellow, group 4. And one more to go. Ten seconds to go, yeah? Okay, answer will be X, Z, Y, W. Why so? Okay, so in this case, let's speed run this. So atomic size of Z is less than X. So this came out in Monday or Wednesday, I forgot. So the more is on the right side, the smaller it is. So Z is smaller than X. So Z should be arranged on the right side. Energy required to move the first electrons of Y is greater than Z. So in this case, energy to remove is greater than Z. So Y should arrange here. Okay, then let's see. Arrange from left to right. Atomic size of Z is less than X. So Z should put an X. Then what happened is Y energy required to remove first electron of Y is greater than that of Z. So in this case, okay, let's arrange it this way first. Then W forms an ion that's larger size. Then so basically, if W larger size means that it gains electrons to become bigger. So W is a metal. And then XYZ forms, oh sorry, is a non-metal. It gains. So XYZ should be metal, W should be non-metal. So XYZ should be arranged here. W is the only non-metal. So it should be XZYW. Answer should be red. Okay, sounds good. And we are done for day 8 of Kahoot for June holidays. Okay, good. So in general, everyone's the same. Okay, everyone who got 10 questions and above out of the 20 will be your name will be automatically taken out, and draw will happen on Monday as well. We will do a lucky draw as well as we will pick up the lucky winner on Monday. Okay, same thing that will be happen on Monday. So for next week, what we'll be doing will be on acids, bases. Okay, acids, bases, alkali. Acid, bases, alkali. There will be the chapter on acid, bases, alkali. So next week, same thing. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 3 days at 9 p.m. Monday, Wednesday will be easier questions for practice. Friday will be the shorter time and the monster questions day, so that whoever who gets 10 and above, which 50% and above, gets to receive a giveaway. Okay, so that's pretty much it for today. So same thing, I'll be hanging out in Discord. Anything, you can drop me a message there. I'll be around. Else, I would see you on Monday at 9 p.m. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.